3 years from now, you may not log into software anymore. No dashboards, no menus, no endless tabs. You'll just tell an AI what you want. Schedule meetings. Update the CRM. Generate the report. Reply to customers. Analyze this contract. And it will do the work. That sounds convenient, but for the multi-billion-dollar SaaS industry, it could be devastating. Because the biggest threat to software companies may not be better software. It may be AI agents that make software invisible. To understand this shift, you need to understand what SaaS actually changed. Before cloud software, companies installed programs on physical servers. It was expensive, slow, and painful. Then software as a service arrived. Companies like Salesforce turned software into subscriptions delivered through the cloud. Suddenly, businesses could access powerful tools through a browser. The model exploded. Every business workflow became its own SaaS category: CRM, HR, marketing automation, customer support, project management, analytics. For 20 years, the formula worked. Build software that solves one workflow really well. But there was one assumption underneath all of it. Humans still had to operate the software. That assumption is now breaking. Most people think AI is just smarter chatbots. That's the wrong way to think about it. AI agents don't just answer questions, they take actions. Traditional software requires humans to learn interfaces. AI agents remove the interface entirely. Instead of clicking through 5 applications, you simply describe the outcome you want. The AI figures out the workflow. Imagine a sales manager today. They might use Salesforce for CRM, Slack for communication, Zoom for meetings, Excel for reports, Notion for documentation. A human manually connects all of it together, but an AI agent can sit across those systems and operate them automatically. That's why OpenAI, Microsoft, and other tech giants are moving aggressively into AI agents. Because once AI understands your intent, the underlying software matters less. The value shifts from the application to the intelligence layer controlling the workflow. And that's dangerous for traditional SaaS companies, because many of them are essentially workflow wrappers, dashboards, forms, buttons, navigation. AI agents don't care about any of that. They care about outcomes. This is where things get uncomfortable. For years, SaaS was considered one of the safest businesses in tech. Predictable revenue, recurring subscriptions, high margins. Investors loved it. Now investors are asking a terrifying question: what stops an AI platform from doing this automatically? That question is killing startup pitches. Imagine building a scheduling SaaS company for 5 years. Then an AI assistant handles scheduling across every app automatically. Your product suddenly becomes unnecessary. This fear is spreading across Silicon Valley right now because AI agents threaten to collapse entire software categories, and the economics get even worse. Traditional SaaS relies on seat licenses. More employees using software equals more revenue, but AI agents could reduce the number of human users dramatically. One agent might replace hours of operational work across multiple systems. Fewer humans interacting with software could mean fewer licenses. That threatens the entire SaaS business model, which is why major companies are reacting fast. Salesforce is pushing AI agents aggressively. Microsoft is embedding AI into nearly every enterprise product it owns, and startups are racing to become AI native before larger platforms absorb their functionality. Because nobody wants to become a feature inside someone else's AI ecosystem. Not every industry will change overnight, but some are highly exposed. Customer support is one of the clearest examples. AI agents can already answer tickets, summarize conversations, escalate issues, and interact with multiple systems at once. Sales operations may change next. Updating CRMs is one of the most hated tasks in business. AI agents can log meetings, update opportunities, draft follow-ups, and prioritize leads automatically. Then there's middle office work: HR administration, procurement, invoice processing, compliance documentation. These are repetitive digital workflows. perfect conditions for AI automation. Marketing is also vulnerable. AI agents can generate campaigns, analyze performance, optimize ad spend, and create content variations instantly. Even software engineering is changing. Developers increasingly supervise AI-generated code instead of writing everything manually. This doesn't eliminate humans entirely, but it changes the ratio between people and output. One employee suddenly becomes dramatically more productive. And when productivity explodes, company structures change. This is where the conversation becomes personal. Because when workflows change, jobs change too. Roles built around repetitive digital coordination are most exposed: data entry, administrative processing, basic reporting, workflow routing. AI agents are extremely good at these tasks, but new jobs are also emerging. Businesses now need people who can manage AI systems, validate outputs, design workflows, handle AI governance, integrate agents into operations. The winners may not be companies with the largest workforce. They may be companies with the best AI orchestration. That creates a strange possibility. A company that once needed thousands of operational employees may eventually operate with a much smaller team managing fleets of AI agents. Executives see efficiency, employees see uncertainty. But there's another major shift happening underneath all of this. AI agents could weaken software loyalty itself. Today, businesses stay locked into software ecosystems because switching is painful. That's one of SaaS's biggest advantages. But if AI agents become universal operators between systems, switching becomes easier. The AI handles the complexity, not the human. That could destroy one of the strongest moats in enterprise software history. For 20 years, software companies fought to become the place where work happens. Now AI agents want to become the thing that does the work. That may define the next era of technology. Microsoft wants AI embedded into every workflow. OpenAI wants conversational AI to become the new interface for work. Salesforce wants autonomous enterprise agents managing customer relationships. And thousands of startups are trying to figure out where humans still add unique value. Because the real threat to SaaS is not that software disappears, it's that software becomes invisible. Users stop caring which application completed the task. They only care that the outcome happened. And when customers stop choosing tools and start choosing outcomes, the entire software industry changes. Maybe traditional SaaS companies adapt. Maybe they evolve into AI-first platforms. Or maybe we look back at today's software giants the same way we look at old desktop software companies from the 1990s. Dominant in one era, then replaced by an entirely new interface paradigm. Because in technology, the companies that win one generation rarely control the next, and AI agents may be the beginning of the next extinction event in software.